This is chapter number 3, English 1, activity 6, part 1, the water barrel. David, his father and I are leaving a job for you. Father and I are leaving a job for you to do this morning, mother said to David. That they are going to leave a job this morning for David that he should do. Father said, that's right. Before you do anything else, fill the water tank. But I wanted to go to the pasture to help Peter with the animals, David complained. He wanted to go to help Peter. No, mother said firmly. Bring up the water first or it may not be get done. The work will not be done. And after that, father added, he said that boy, you will be in a hot water if you don't get your work done. That you will be in a problem if you don't get your work done, what we have given you this morning. And with that, they drove away and they went to the market. David walked back into the house. They were proud of this house. David and his family was proud of this house, and his father and his mother and Peter had just built this house. Part of it still was unfinished. Still, the part of that house was yet to be done and was unfinished. Later, they would dig a well. Later, afterwards, they would dig a well. But right now, all the water had to be carried from the river, and it was David's job to fill the large water barrel. Before, till they don't have dig a well, what they have to do is they have to carry the water from the river, and this was David's job, that he has to fill the barrel, the water barrel. The family could then draw water from a spigot at the bottom of the barrel. Then what family can do? Family draws water from the spigot where in the barrel where David filled the water. So there is a spigot. The meaning is a kind of tape, a kind of tap, a small peg that is plugged in the barrel or in a tank, and that is used as a tap. You can, another word you can use is tap as for spigot. So the family then drew water from the spigot that was at the bottom of the barrel. Barrel के सबसे नीचे एक spigot लगा हुआ था. That was a tap जिसमें से कि आप उसको open करो तो water बाहर निकलता था. So David climbed up a few steps at the side of the barrel. David climbed up a few steps and at the side of the barrel he leaned far over the rim. He leaned and over the rim to see how much water was left. Now he was just looking into the barrel that how much water was left. The water was so low in the barrel that he couldn't even touch the surface. So when he put his hand, so he came to know that still he can't touch the water, the surface of the water with his fingertips. So he sighed that he was a strong boy and he wasn't a bit tired. And he was not tired, but this made him sigh to think all the other things he did prefer to do that cool, beautiful morning. So that morning, he just don't want to fill that water barrel. And after knowing that the water's level was very low, so he just sighed and he was like he don't want to fill the water barrel. Instead of that, he want to enjoy that beautiful morning.